Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to fix Messenger chat heads. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If your chat head for Messenger is not working on your Android device, then follow the steps. The first step is to enable notification permission from the settings menu. Tap Open Settings from your Android device. Now, from the settings menu, scroll down to find Apps. Give it a tap and from the list of the apps displayed on the screen, tap on Messenger and from the app info page, scroll down to find Notifications. If your notification is not allowed, simply enable the button right next to Show Notification and then go back. The next thing to do is to allow Messenger to appear on top from your Android device. Locate the Messenger application from your app drawer and once you find it, press hold to the app. This will open up a pop-up menu. Click on App Info. Once you end up in the App Info page, scroll down to find an option that says Appear on Top. Give it a tap and then allow permission by tapping on the button right next to allow permission for Messenger to appear on top all of the application. Now you can go back and see if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, then the next thing to do is to clear cache from Messenger. Sometimes only clearing the cache from the Messenger application might fix the chat heads not working issue. Once again, locate Messenger application from the app drawer, press hold to it and tap on App Info. From the App Info page, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner, which will delete your cache data from Facebook Messenger. Now, tap on the Clear Data button at the bottom right hand corner and then tap on OK in the pop-up. This will delete all of your application's data permanently, which means you'll need to log into your account again. Make sure that you know your Facebook Messenger account's credential to log into it before tapping on OK. Finally, tap Open Messenger application one more time and log into your account. After you make all of these changes, you might be able to solve your issue for chat heads not working for Facebook Messenger. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.